Good day, folks. Today is date, and we have an exciting update for all you streaming enthusiasts out there. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more incredible tech guides. Now, on to today's tech spotlight. The Amazon Fire Stick, an absolute disruptor in home entertainment. It brings the world of IPTV right to your fingertips. Interested in the best IPTV experience? Head over to 2tv.store, your ultimate IPTV provider. For a fast tutorial, ensure your Fire Stick is connected to the internet, then navigate to Settings. Once there, proceed to My Fire TV, click on Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Installing a downloader application makes the process easy. Open the downloader and enter the URL provided by your IPTV provider. Sit back and let the app do its magic. Within moments, you're all set to enjoy the endless content. It's incredibly straightforward, right? Wrapping up, never forget to subscribe for more tech tips and visit 2tv.store to enhance your streaming journey every day. Enjoy your IPTV setup and happy watching!